Hello, UX freaks, and welcome back to the UX Tigers channel. Dr. Jacob Nielsen, a name synonymous with usability, recently delivered a keynote address at UI UX Camp Tokyo, captivating an audience of over 5,600 professionals. Tokyo is a city that holds a special significance for Dr. Nielsen, as he recounted, tracing his introduction to artificial intelligence back to attending pioneering conferences in Tokyo in 1984 and 1988. Little did he know then the seismic shifts that AI would soon bring to the very disciplines he has long championed. His address laid out a bold vision of a UX landscape on the cusp of radical transformation. Nielsen painted a picture where silicon hands might soon wield the familiar tools of the design trade. He asserted that we are on the brink of an AI revolution in user interface design, predicting that within a mere 5 years, artificial intelligence will be responsible for crafting the majority of UI elements. Imagine icons conjured by algorithms, color palettes perfected by code, and layouts leaping from logic gates. This pronouncement, while perhaps sounding like science fiction just a short while ago, is now a serious proposition. For seasoned UX professionals who have honed their pixel-perfect skills over years, this forecast is both noteworthy and potentially unsettling. Are our meticulously crafted interfaces destined to be relics of a pre-AI past? However, Jacob Nielsen's vision isn't one of wholesale obsolescence. Instead, he foresees a significant shift of human focus to user experience strategy. As AI takes the UI wheel, human UX professionals will be freed to tackle the more complex terrain of workflow optimization, unraveling user pain points, understanding fundamental needs, and exercising critical judgment. As he put it, AI is actually not good at judgment, but it's great at ideation. This pivot demands a move beyond visual and tactical design towards the strategic and the empathetic, a realm where human intuition and understanding of context remain irreplaceable. To contextualize this shift, Nielsen presented a compelling tripartite division of UX history: the long, handmade era of over 50 years, the fleeting transition period we currently inhabit, a mere decade, he estimates, and the dawning age of AI. This framework offers a valuable lens for understanding the current upheaval. We find ourselves in this transition period, a critical window brimming with both invention and opportunity. As Nielsen aptly noted, we are in the process of doing more and more things with AI, but we have to invent how it's done. This is not a time for UX professionals to be passive observers, but active architects of this new era. Looking further into the horizon, Nielsen discussed the rise of AI agents, intelligent intermediaries that could fundamentally alter user interaction. Imagine a future where users interact primarily with an agent, which in turn navigates websites and services on their behalf. This evolving paradigm necessitates a rethinking of user-centered design. We will soon find ourselves designing experiences not directly for humans, but for their digital proxies, a truly meta consideration. Despite these dramatic shifts, Nielsen offered a reassuring anchor in the enduring principles of usability. He firmly stated that his core usability heuristics, such as recognition over recall, remain as vital as ever because they are rooted in the unchanging nature of human cognition and memory. As the polar bear in his music video sings,
"My memory's short, it fades away. Give me some cues so I can play."
this human constant provides a bedrock, even as the technological tides surge around us. The efficiency gains brought by AI, according to Dr. Nielsen, could also lead to a pancaking of teams. Smaller, more empowered UX units with fewer managerial layers could become the norm. While this promises agility and reduced overhead, experienced professionals might lament the steep reduction in traditional career ladder promotions. However, Nielsen also voiced a crucial concern: the potential for a growing imbalance between development and UX. With AI currently turbocharging developer productivity, he cautioned that the voice of the user could be further marginalized if the UX community doesn't equally embrace and leverage these new capabilities. This serves as a potent reminder that we must not allow the technological tail to wag the user experience dog. Finally, Dr. Nielsen emphasized the enduring and increasing importance of soft skills in UX. As AI handles the more technical aspects of UI design, the ability to collaborate effectively, communicate persuasively, understand business objectives, and champion user needs within organizations will become paramount. In his words, UX is people, both the end users and the internal teams we work with. Jacob Nielsen's keynote painted a compelling, if at times challenging, vision for the future of UX. His perspective is one of both excitement and caution. He acknowledges the transformative power of AI while underscoring the enduring value of human-centered principles and the critical need for UX professionals to adapt and evolve. His message was clear. The future of UX isn't about being replaced by AI, but about augmenting our abilities and elevating our focus to the strategic and human elements that truly drive exceptional user experiences. It seems the next chapter in UX will be written in collaboration with our Silicon colleagues, and it's up to us to ensure it's a user-centric story. Prove you're human and like my video. Pop over to UX Tigers and subscribe to Jacob Nielsen's newsletter to ensure you'll never miss a UX beat.